Today, I wanted to show you what a typical UENI real estate website looks like. So I'll show you some of our customers and what you get when you order a real estate website with us. So one of the most important parts of your real estate website is photos/videos along with property information. We know the importance of images, and not just photos of properties you're selling, also other images on your website. To make your website as aesthetically pleasing as possible, as well as authentic, our team likes to choose banner images that show landscapes or aerial shots that showcase the area you've covered, an important monument or an icon in the city, or even beautiful buildings/properties that match the styles of the ones you sell and buy. The second most important part of your website is call to action buttons. So you will get call to action buttons so your customers can easily reach you, whether you'd like to, give out your phone number, your email, or have a schedule a meeting option. These are super important when a customer is ready to finally choose you. The next important section of your website is the About You section. No one is going to buy or sell property with a real estate agent they don't trust. So you will have a section dedicated to content about yourself, your experience, anything else you'd like to include that gives your client trust in you and ultimately makes them choose you. The next area is the customer review section. So this area will include previous customers and their feedback while working with you. You can edit this area to showcase your best clients and help continuously improve your credibility. The next area of your website is social media links. So it's important to have your social media linked to your website, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. In this day and age, you can't really get by without having some sort of social media on your website. This area is not just important for credibility, but it's also important so your customers can keep up to date with what you're doing, whether you have new properties to sell or other offerings that you'd like to put on your social media platforms. Giving them a place where they can constantly be updated with what you're doing is extremely beneficial to your business. The next section I've labeled as miscellaneous. This kind of includes basic things that almost every website includes, not just real estate agents. So we're talking about, contact forms, Google Map integration, availability section, amenity section, stuff like that. This will definitely be included in your website. Number 7, I've just labeled as other. So this can be anything that I've potentially missed that you'd like to have on your website, whether it's a blog area or a special listing area or a past sales area or a partners area. There's all kinds of stuff that you can request and we'll gladly make that for you. So that's what a typical UENI real estate website looks like. To give you a full recap one more time, it will include a photo/video section with obviously property information, call to action buttons, an About You section, a customer review section, a place to put your social media handles, a miscellaneous section, and then anything else that you'd like that we've missed, like blogs, partnership pages, and stuff like that. All you have to do to get your own website is fill out a questionnaire where you will give us a bunch of information about yourself and your business, and we will get to work creating your website. So our team will write and create for our customer based on them and their real estate business. We have in-house experts that are very knowledgeable of the industry who are capable of creating amazing websites specifically for real estate agents or brokers who specialize in land, residential, commercial, or industrial. Our team is very aware of the differences and will create a website specifically tailored to your identity. We also understand the importance of communication, and the writers in our team have identified all the key terms that the best real estate agents use in their successful websites, such as experienced, stress-free, transparency, fast, trustworthy, and so on. These are applied to the most important texts on your websites to ensure your customers find you while searching for their most important real estate trait. And lastly, if you don't like your website for any reason, you have a full 30 days. Just tell us why you don't like the website and we'll gladly give you your money back. But I hope this video was highly informational and helpful to you as a real estate agent or broker, and I hope it makes the decision of choosing UENI a little bit easier. So if you enjoyed this type of video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to similar content like this, and I'll see you next time.